Hello everyone, I am back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be following yet another squishy tutorial from this book right here. And this is called Make Your Own Super Squishy Slime and Putty by Tessa Sillars-Powell. And this is my 7th time doing this, and if you haven't seen all the other parts in this series yet, I'll link the playlist in the description box below. And also, if you haven't seen all those parts yet, I'll just quickly explain what's in this book. So for example, in this book it shows you how to make loads of really cute squishies like this panda one right here. Hope this is in frame. And then it also has tutorials on how to make slime as well. I'll just find an example. It's like this one. And it also shows you how to make different kinds of putty as well. And again, I'm still yet to try any of these, but I'm sure I'll eventually get round to it. Yeah, still so many things in this book that I want to make, but again I'm going to be following another squishy tutorial in here. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy, and let's just get started. So here's the squishy that I've chosen to make today, and it is this poop emoji paper squishy, which I think looks really funny and also really cute at the same time. And I was about to say that I don't think I've ever made a poop squishy before, but that's not true. I've actually made some poop squishies before on my channel, but those have always been ones that have been made out of foam. So today I'm going to be making this one out of paper. And here are all of the materials that I'm going to be needing. So I'm just going to go and gather up all the materials and I'll be right back. So now I have all of my materials ready. So I have a piece of white paper here, and then also all of my felt tip pens. Or it says that you can use coloured pencils, but I prefer using these now. And then I also just have a pencil here as well, just in case I'll be needing it. And they also have my clear tape here, also my stuffing or my cotton balls. This is all I really have. And then also my scissors. And yep, so now I'm ready to get started. Okay, so I already went ahead and I did step 1, and it says to fold your piece of paper in half and then draw a poop emoji shape onto the folded edge and then colour it in. And I actually ended up redoing the shape because I tried colouring it in using my brown felt tip pens, but they were both low on ink and they just were drying out, so I decided that I would start over, and I decided to do a rainbow design instead, which I think worked out really good. I really like the colours. And then for the face, I tried making it look like the popular poop emoji face. It didn't turn out exactly like it, but it's still pretty good, I think. And then I just outlined the shape with a black marker pen, and then I also outlined the face as well. So now moving on to the next step. So next I did steps 2, 3 and 4. So step 2 says to trace the outline through to the other side of the paper and then colour in the back of your design. So I did that. And annoyingly the blue started running out a bit, as you can see. But I wasn't about to start all over again, so I just left it like this. And then for step 3 it says to unfold your paper and then cover your design with clear tape, which I also did. And then step 4 says to fold the paper back in half and then cut out the shape. And I didn't fold mine back in half, I just cut it out like this. So now I can move on to step 5. So now step 5 says to tape the edges of the poop emoji together to create a pouch and leave an opening on the side so that you can add in the stuffing. So as you can see, I've already done that. Well, I've taped up most of the squishy. It's not very neat, but I tried my best. And as you can see, I left an opening on the side. So now the last step says to add in the stuffing into the pouch and then tape up the opening to finish. So I'm just going to do that and then I'll show you the final thing. And here is what the final squishy looks like. And and I'm quite pleased with how it turned out. Again, I love how the colours turned out. I love how vibrant they are. That's why I chose to use felt tip pens instead of coloured pencils. Despite some of them drying up, it still worked out really well. And again, I'll compare it to the one in the book. So yeah, I was originally going to colour mine to look more like the one in the book, but like I said, the felt tip pens that I had were just drying up, so I wouldn't have been able to colour the whole thing in brown, so I had to think of something different. But I honestly prefer the rainbow colours way more than just using the brown colour. And you know me, I love using bright colours anyway. So it's more like a unicorn poop emoji instead. And again, I know it's not the neatest thing ever. Again, I make way more squishies out of foam than I make paper squishies. So yeah, I'm still getting used to this very slowly. But still, I think I did a pretty good job. I think the shape looks really good. Added quite a lot of stuffing in here, so it's very puffy. And I probably could have added some shine in the eyes just to make them look a little bit more cuter, because I think they look slightly creepy like this. But like I said, I was trying to copy the popular poop emoji face. See, I could have done a better job on the face, but still I'm quite happy with it. And yep, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. And again, if you haven't seen all the other parts in this series yet, I'll link the playlist in the description box below. So please go and check those out if you haven't seen them already. And again, if you want to get this book for yourself, it is available on Amazon and eBay. I will try to put some links in the description box below. Again, I got mine as a Christmas present, but you can easily get yours off of Amazon or eBay. And please stay tuned for more videos like this coming soon, because there's still so many more things in here that I want to make. I really hope you like this squishy. And yep, so that is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, and also please click thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. Also, please go and check out my Etsy and my Instagram, which are linked in the description box below as always. I'd really appreciate it if you go and check those out. And yep, that's all I have to say. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.